So many people are getting confused on how they can log in into their Target account. So if you guys do not know what Target is then Target is a American, department store company who sells goods. So it's pretty famous in USA, all right? Many people have heard about Target, but if you guys don't know about Target, then let me show you what Target is. So over here it says Target Corporation is an American retail corporation, the eighth largest retailer in United States. It is a component of S&P 500 index. So yeah, that's the small description of Target. But if you guys want to know, then you can always click on Wikipedia and study more about it. But let's get into the video. Most people are confused on how they can log in into Target. So it's pretty simple on how they can log in into Target. So first you need to go to a search engine and search for this thing called Target login. After you search for Target login, you want to click on the first link where it says account home and Target. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page, and once you are in this page, basically you can sign in into your Target account. You can enter your email or phone number associated with your Target account, and over here you can enter your password. And after entering your password, you want to click on where it says sign in, and you should be able to sign in into your Target account. And if you are not being able to sign into your Target account, then basically your email or your password is incorrect. So make sure to double check them and make sure they are correct. And after that, once you click on sign in, you should be able to sign in. And let's say you forget your password and you want to reset your password. Basically what you can do is click on where it says forget password right below sign in. Click on forget password, and over here you want to enter your email address or phone number. After that, it's going to send you a verification code to your email address or phone number, whichever thing you typed over here. And you need to type the code over here to verify that it's you, and it's going to take you to a page where you can reset the password. All right, so that's how you guys can reset your password as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Target account and reset your Target account's password as well. So hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys are confused in any part of this video, you can ask us in the comment. And to get notified for daily videos like this, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Have a nice day.